Hi everybody, and welcome to my RC Construction Projects channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I've not put out a video in a while, so I wanted to put out an update to let everyone know that I'm still in the game, I'm still in the hobby, having a great time. So let me try to briefly show you what I've been doing. I had to find a solution for my dump trucks. I have the Huina 1582s, and if you have those, you know that they are not very good in rough terrain. They do not have a dynamic suspension system. They have something that's very static. So I ran across these WPL RC trucks. And they, on the contrary, do have a very dynamic suspension system. Let me try to demonstrate quickly. And on one of the options you have is to upgrade the motor. And when you upgrade the motor to a 2-speed motor, you get more torque and more pulling power with the lower speed. That's low. High. Now, I have to finish doing some suspension work on this truck. I had converted the plastic to all metal, and I even did a metal balance board. I'm going to redo this, but my axles and my metal gears were binding, so this is not the best thing to do. I got this set on Amazon, and they were fairly inexpensive. So this one that I'm working on actually is still a hybrid. I still have plastic and metal on here. The front is plastic, or the front is metal. The back part is plastic. And on the other truck, this is the one the first dump truck I'm going to make, so it's still very much in the design stage. This one I converted to all metal. It's quite an intricate process because you have to build the metal drivetrain, shaft, axles, and everything. And so I bought the kit so that I can convert this one. And I also bought additional shims, which I think will allow me to fix these others that are not working very well. So the whole point of what I'm doing is developing my Huina, upgrading my Huina dump trucks so that I'll be able to use them on the rough terrain of construction sites. Now, on one of these, I don't have my lights, and on this one, I did I added the lights, the turn signals, the marker lights, and unfortunately, to be completely honest with you, I was a bit impatient, so I went on and used some lights, not the recommended ones. I had some LEDs and I used those. And they came out okay. I had to make some modifications and make some cuts so that I could get them to fit. But I have backup lights, turn signals, and always flashers. In addition to the work on these trucks, I'm also redesigning the entire project. I'm going to take my time and really come up with a design that makes sense, and I'm going to expand this throughout the entire room. So I'll be using the excavators and the dump trucks to move a lot of the soil. I'm not going to do it all with the RCs. I'll do some by hand, but the whole point is to have my equipment involved, and I'm looking forward to really having a dynamic situation here, a dynamic setup. I also have expanded my work area. My brother had this glass tabletop. That sucker's pretty heavy. It weighs a couple 100 pounds. And so I brought that on over here. And I'll be doing my lighter work over here, a lot of my soldering and working on my WPLs. And then, of course, Old Faithful over here. I'll be doing my heavier work on this side. So, I tell you, it's a great project. I'm really enjoying it. But before I sign off, this is a WPL B16. This truck is all stock. And so I'll be taking all of that plastic off as far as the drive shaft is concerned. And I'll be replacing that with metal. I'll put a stronger motor, the 2-speed motor on there. And then I will make this, well, the plan is to upgrade that into the second dump truck. And this one will be the first one. I think I finally have a design. I'm working on a tilt mechanism. What's the best way to do that? So if someone has some great ideas, please leave it in the comments. I don't know whether I need to use a servo or a linear actuator, or whether I need to go with the servo like we have on our excavators. So I'm working on figuring that out. I have the electronics figured out, and I have lights to put on that. So I'll be back in the digging game very soon, hopefully. Also, this is a tractor trailer, and that's the second part back there that has the other parts of the truck on it. I got it because the tractor trailers are so expensive. These cost less than $100. I figured if I upgraded everything to metal, put the dualies on it, reinforced the trailer, that it would be good enough to carry my excavators. However, it still strains under that, so I will have to get something else. It does carry the top brace to 11 without much problem. So I'll be working on putting these trucks together, and then after that I'll get a video out when I'm working on the construction site, on the project. And in the meantime, happy digging to everyone. Again, I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and any comments that you have, I would really appreciate hearing from you, and I will respond. Thank you very much. God bless you. I hope to see you soon.